Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to move an object in an image on your Samsung Galaxy with AI. So with Samsung AI, you can basically move an object or a subject in a photo and the AI will basically fill in all the blanks. So let me show you an example. So for example, this picture here, I don't like the dogs in the middle. I want them on the left. So I want to follow the rule of third. So let me show you how we can do this with AI. So here we've got a photo. I'll go ahead and tap on this AI button here just above the home button. Now I'll go ahead and draw around, circle around them. AI has found the puppies. Now I'll go ahead and hold them and drag them to the left. So they'll basically follow the rule of third. Now once I'm happy with that, there's the empty space here. Now I'll go ahead and tap on generate. Now AI will basically generate something over here. So it'll basically fill in all the gaps. And there you go, it has filled in the grass, some flowers. And as we look at the original, this was what it was before, and this is what it is now. And once I'm happy with it, I'll go ahead and tap on save copy. So there you go. That is how to move an object or a subject in an image on your Samsung Galaxy with AI. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.